This will be a quick and dirty demonstration of this paint sprayer I got from Home Depot. Here's the details here. 0.29 gallons per minute, so it's very low water usage. ONR in the bucket, pre-primed. Dirty wheel in question. Some mud on the rockers. It's not really a replacement for a pressure washer, but it works well when you don't have access to water in your garage. Some brake buster on there. While that dwells, I'll do a quick demonstration here on the bottom. Obviously you can't do an ONR wash on that. I would maybe pre-rinse it with ONR, but it has enough power to blow off all the chunks. Grab a little detailing brush. Okay, obviously I'll do the barrels later, but to keep this short and simple, give it a quick wipe and you're done.